Thank you, Madam Chair, and thank you and both Ranking Member Johans. I appreciate very much your holding this hearing today and provide this subcommittee with an opportunity to hear from leaders in rural America who have established excellent examples of how rural development really should progress. And I'm pleased that we have with us here today Mr. Mark Tilson, who's an accomplished businessman, respected member of the South Dakota business community, and an enrolled member of the Oglala Sioux tribe. He's the current president of Native American Natural Foods, which has developed and markets the Tonka Bar, a line of buffalo and cranberry-based high-protein, low-carb snacks sold on more than 375 Indian reservations and carried in over 6,000 retail locations in all 50 states. Mr. Tilson is a partner at Lakota Express Incorporated, which is a direct marketing and customer care management company. And in addition to his current work with these organizations, Mr. Tilson has co-founded a number of community organizations and businesses throughout the region and has led several tribal economic development efforts. I look forward to Mr. Tilson offering his firsthand knowledge and experience to the Ag Committee as we consider how to advance economic development strategies in small communities and work with USDA to successfully implement Farm Bill rural development programs. Mr. Tilson is a valued member of the South Dakota business community, and his demonstrated leadership in the economic development world can help the committee identify areas where we can better provide support to stimulate economic growth in rural areas and Indian reservations. And so I want to thank Mark for being here today and very much helping inform our thinking and help shape an agenda that would be good for rural America and good for our tribe. So thanks for taking time from your busy schedule, and thank you, Madam Chairwoman, for inviting Mr. Tilson and you, Senator Johans, as well for holding this hearing and what I hope will be a very productive meeting. And I want to point out, this is just for those of you, a little marketing here, this is what Tonka looks like, and very high protein and low fat and healthy. So be sure you look for this when you get out there. Thank you.
Senator Thune, if you could guarantee that everyone would be as fit as you if they ate Tonka bars.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
You couldn't keep up with the demand, I'm pretty sure.